Hello students. So today we are going to start with the part of organic chemistry. Okay. In that we will start with aldehydes and ketones part. Okay. Because this is very important part, and in this we are going to discuss in this video, we are going to discuss that how the aldehydes they are prepared. Okay. Preparation methods of aldehyde. Okay, we will be discussing that how these aldehydes they are actually prepared. In this, in total, we will be discussing 4 methods which are very important and hold very high chances to be asked in the exam. Okay, so very first method of preparation of aldehydes is by the reduction of what? Reduction of acid chloride. Okay, so the first method is reduction of acid chloride. This reduction of acid chloride, it is carried out in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate. This is C double bond O Cl. Okay, hydrogen is added with the help of palladium and barium sulfate. This results in the formation of CHO, aldehyde group over the benzene ring. So this method of reduction of acid chloride is called as Rosen-Mundt reduction. This is a very important reaction in naming reactions also, and is asked a number of times in the exam. Okay, so the very first method that we have discussed for the preparation of aldehydes is the reduction of what? Acid chloride, and that reduction is carried out with the help of palladium in the presence of barium sulfate. Okay, which is called as Rosen-Mundt reduction. Now, moving on to the next method. In the next method, these can be prepared, these aldehydes, they can be prepared by the reduction of nitriles. Second method is by reduction of nitriles. Nitriles means that we are having CN bond, C triple bond N. All those hydrocarbons which are having C triple bond N, cyanide, okay, cyanide group, those are called as nitriles. Now for reducing nitriles into the aldehydes, we have 2 methods. The very first method is by using stannous chloride in the presence of hydrochloric acid. Okay, how that reaction happens? RCN in the presence of SnCl2 stannous chloride and that is hydrochloric acid. Okay, this results in the formation of RCH double bond NH. Okay, and then again in the presence of H3O positive, these are reduced into RCHO, that is the required aldehyde. Okay, this reaction which is carried out with the help of stannous chloride in the hydrochloric acid, this reaction is called as Stephan reaction. Okay, this reaction is called as Stephan reaction. This again is a very important reaction of the naming reaction as well as for preparing the aldehydes. Okay, this specific reagent which is used in this Stephan reaction, that is stannous chloride in the presence of hydrogen chloride, that is hydrochloric acid. Now next method is reducing with the help of dibyl H. Now dibyl H is a very famous and most used reducing agent, that is the diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Okay, diisobutyl aluminium hydride, whose short form we always say dibyl H. Okay, in this RC triple bond N, this nitride, it is directly reduced into RCHO. This is a direct reaction, okay, in which no intermediate is formed, and this reaction is carried out very easily with the help of diisobutyl aluminium hydride, which is a very good reducing agent. Okay, now next method, third method is from esters. That how aldehydes can be prepared from the esters. See, in that also we use the same reducing agent, that is dibyl H. Okay, In this also, we will be using diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay, it results in the formation of this aldehyde. Okay, one of the aldehydes is formed and another one leads to the formation of the alcohol. See this RCO. Okay, this group RCO, this will result in the formation of aldehyde, which is the required product, and this R-O in them hydrogen, it will be added over the oxygen and will result in the formation of the alcohol. This is the alcohol which is formed, and this is the required product aldehyde. So whenever we have to reduce esters into the aldehydes, we again use this diable H, which is diisobutyl aluminum hydride, the same reagent which we have used for the reduction of nitriles. Okay. Now we will discuss that how from hydrocarbons we can prepare aldehydes. Okay, from hydrocarbons. First of all, we can use Gaterman-Koch reaction. Okay, in the Gaterman-Koch reaction, we use carbon monoxide and HCl. Both of them, they are used under anhydrous aluminum chloride. Okay, and this benzene, it directly then converts into the CHO group, that is benzaldehyde. Okay, from hydrocarbons, from benzene, in the hydrocarbons reduction, from first of all benzene is used. Okay, this benzene, it results into benzaldehyde. Okay, in the presence of these three reagents, carbon monoxide, HCl, and aluminum chloride. And this reaction is also very important naming reaction, which is called as Gaterman-Koch reaction. Okay, this reaction is called as Gaterman-Koch reaction. So in this, we have learned how to prepare aldehydes from the different types of substances, from different reactants. So these four methods we will recapitulate once again. First of all, it is reduction of acid chloride, which is Rosenmund reduction, carried out in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate. Then we have discussed reduction of nitriles, which can be done by two methods. In Stephen reaction, we use stannous chloride and HCl, in which that nitrile converts into the aldehyde. And second one is diable H, which is called as diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay. Then next one is when we have to convert esters into the aldehyde, their reduction is also carried out with the help of reducing agent, that is diable H. Okay. And from hydrocarbons, we use Gaterman-Koch reaction, in which a benzene is converted into benzaldehyde with the help of aluminum chloride, carbon monoxide, and HCl. Okay.